In this video, we're going to go over my first year on YouTube, what I did, how I did it, why I did it. We're going to go over the analytics to see whatever happened, how much money I made, the views count, subscribers count, everything that might help those who want to create a YouTube channel similar to mine. Keep in mind that your journey will not be exactly as mine. There are a lot of variables which can play different roles, but hopefully you can learn something from my journey and you can use it to ease your journey. Maybe learn something new and apply it to your YouTube channel. All right, so I have here all my videos which I uploaded by like the oldest, and we're going to go over all of them to see kind of what I've did over the year, what my plan was, and see how it worked out. My first video was uploaded on 7th November 2019. I still remember I worked like 8 hours to record, edit, upload the video. I was very nervous. I wanted to start YouTube for a long time, but because of my accent and because I wasn't very comfortable talking, especially to the camera, although I don't have a webcam in that video, I postponed this for a long time. I want to thank those of you who were supporting in the beginning, who encouraged me to start doing this. And yeah, it's been a nice journey, and I'm very grateful for those of you who pushed me over the edge, and here we are now. So I uploaded the jumping loading animation with CSS. I remembered that I got 100 subscribers in the first 2 or 3 hours. Keep in mind that I had a Twitter audience when I started YouTube. I think it was around 7,000 or 8,000 followers. So the boost of the channel was probably something you wouldn't see on a lot of channels. Well, when you're coming from a different social media and different social media platform and you have an audience, it's easier to get started somewhere because you already have people who watch your videos, and then YouTube will promote it to more people. Even though for a while my Twitter followers count was lower than, was bigger than my YouTube channel subscribers. Now the YouTube channel overpassed my Twitter following. All right, so as you can see at the beginning, I think I uploaded in the first month like 12 videos or something like that. Or yeah, from November and December. So probably around 2 months, I uploaded around 13 videos, 12 videos. And yeah, you can see some of them are having now 6K views, 1K views, 8K views. But one of them did really well over the long time. We're going to see exactly how this worked out on the long time. But at the beginning, it wasn't this big. Everything started low, but over time, some were picked up and promoted to more viewers. All right, so this is the end of the year. So how many are there? 5, 6, yeah, 13 videos. This is my first, well, 2019, the first year actually, part of the first year. And then I decided to go hard on YouTube, to create as many videos as I can, to do tutorials. I started doing live streams, although not so many. I still was creating videos. And for the first month of January, I did a challenge called 31 videos in 31 days. As you can see, these designs with this kind of wavy thingy, it's one video every day. Some did, well, better than others. And at the same time, I did live streams. So if I remember correctly, in January 2020, I uploaded 31 videos and did around 10 live streams. So a lot of content. All right, let's see what happened next. Some videos and a live stream. Tried to make a snake game. Nice, this was a challenge from David. And then I started probably the longest series I have on the channel, which is Conquering FreeCode Camp. For those of you who don't know, on FreeCode Camp you can learn programming, web programming, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, React, and all that. And what I wanted is to have on my channel the entire progress. So if someone would like to learn these things, but they feel like going alone over the FreeCode Camp curriculum is not enough, I wanted to have video content so they could also follow me do the entire curriculum. So I did one live stream for each section of the curriculum. And in 29 days, I managed to finish the entire curriculum back then. Now they added the Python section, which I don't have yet. But yeah, this was pretty nice. As you can see, after around 3 months, I got to 10K subscribers. And another thing, which here is it. Here is the magic. I still remember I was waiting for this moment for a while. So for those of you who don't know, on YouTube, in order to get monetized, so you can put ads on your videos, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in the past 12 months, which was probably the hardest thing to do. I had 1,000 subscribers in a month, which was, well, considering my Twitter audience, it helped me get 1,000 subscribers fast. But the 4,000 watch time hours was pretty tough. And how I did those is to do more live streams. As you can see, live streams are longer, 1 hour, 1.5. So it's longer period. So if someone watches the entire live stream, it obviously is more time added to the total amount you need. And on, let's see, which was the date. So on February 18, I was monetized. So that's, let's see, November, December, January, February. So in 3 months, I got monetized. Again, this is, now looking back, this was pretty fast. Some channels need more time to get monetized. So yeah, keep that in mind. In case you're wondering, all right, there have been months and why I'm not monetized yet. It might take more time. As I said, this is my journey. I had some things which helped me on my journey. So it might take more, or maybe it will do it faster. Who knows? All right. Then let's see. So after I finished the FreeCode Camp curriculum, I started doing all sorts of live streams. Front-end mentor, challenges, code wars, Q&As, so a lot of live streams. And then I did a crazy challenge, well, another crazy challenge, 24 videos in 24 hours. And I went over pretty much all the array methods in JavaScript, and I explained them one by one. As you can see, for each, map, slice, sort, splice, concat, and all that. Some of them did well, like for each, but yeah, others so much. Looking back at this period, I would say that I'd rather have now a plan of content plan, where instead of like posting, as I did 24 videos in 24 hours, I would like post 2 or 3 videos per week, but be very consistent. Like, for example, for 24 videos, I would have 8 weeks of content. And also, what I've noticed back then is that Some people enjoyed that many videos because I was covering all the array methods, but some didn't. I got some people unsubscribing because it was too much, and I was, yeah, my videos popped down too much on their feed, so it was annoying. And probably that's why some of them didn't get a lot of views. All right. After that, I still did live streams. As you can see, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, lots of live streams. For me personally, live streams were easier to do because I like the live interaction. Also, I don't like editing my videos. I have someone who does it for me now, but back then I didn't like to do it, and I was just going live. I was thinking about the topic and just go with it. All right, then I stopped doing live streams. No, not really. After a while, and I started uploading like shorter videos on Code Wars, how to solve different challenges, coding challenges using JavaScript. And at the same time, I moved to Twitch for live streaming. I moved there because the community felt more welcoming to support streamers. People were more, well, people who go to Twitch, they are going there because they want to see streamers being live. When people go on YouTube, they kind of expect to see nice, polished videos. Although this is slowly changing, like people get used to live streams on YouTube too. So if I'm thinking now, should I stream on YouTube or on Twitch? It's kind of a 50-50. I can't say 100% go for one or the other. I still like Twitch as a streaming platform because it has all sorts of things for streamers like raids, and you can use some APIs to create all sorts of things with the chat. Like when they comment, when they write something in the chat, you can make something pop up on the screen. It's harder to do with the YouTube API. So that's still something which holds me to still continue streaming on Twitch, but I'm also thinking now to come back on YouTube. Let me know if you're watching this, if you'd like to see live streams on YouTube. Okay, and as you can see, there was kind of a big break after I stopped streaming on YouTube. Although my plan was to always post on YouTube, like content, but for some reason, yeah, I stopped doing that. And the channel, we're going to see the analytics, the channel went down a bit. But then one day I had the brilliant idea to do a crazy challenge, and that challenge doubled my subscribers count, doubled the revenue, maybe even more, quadrupled the revenue. And we're going to see which one was. Maybe if you follow you follow me for a while, you know which one was it. All right, let's go into the analytics and see exactly what happened, views and everything. So if I go here on analytics and I want to select, let's see, 07, so 2019, November 7th, and oops, 2010. So exactly 1 year. Now we're in December, so I just want to see my first year. All right, so here it is. In my first year, I had 1.6 million views overall, my entire channel, 114 watch time hours, 74,000 subscribers, and I made $4,500. Which some of these numbers are crazy. Some of them, if you're looking on overall, are not that crazy. So for example, 1.6 million views. This is just crazy number. Considering also that one video made like 500,000 views. So that's just mind-blowing. 500,000 people watching one video, which is this one. It's still going strong. Yeah, and you can see this graph of like views. On my first day, I had 1,000 views, and then 200, 300, 300, 400, 200. You can see how low was it until you can see here a bump when I started. So it was in January when I started to make videos every day. For some reason, let me go back in January so you can see the graph there. So January, maybe let's put December too, so we have to compare with something. All right, so December, January, and February. Oops, not 2018. Sorry, my bad. So 2019 December up to February 2020. Because this is kind of the crucial moment when I started the channel and it started to pick up a bit. So yeah, as you can see, views, some days, yeah, even lower. Whoa, 49, 44 views. Those crazy times. So remember, I wanted so much to like hit the watch time hours. It was pretty tough and I was eagerly waiting to do that. And then I decided to, okay, let's go full berserk. And look at this, 4 videos, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3, so on. Yeah, then I took a break apparently in February at the beginning, and then again 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, 5. Again a break, and then 7. This is when I started the FreeCodeCamp Curriculum Challenge. View-wise, as you can see, yeah, started low, but then my channel grew exponentially when I started to do daily. And let's see income-wise. Again, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then I was monetized and made my first 10 cents on 19 February. And then $4. Ooh, this was so nice to see. Really, really nice to see $4 in a day, especially considering that I was making 0. All right, and let's see how it. Let's go back to maybe. Let's do 2020, and it will be up to. I still want to see just the first year. Up to here. January and up to December. All right, good. Yeah, so views low, low, low. Even though I started uploading a lot of videos, the views were kind of stagnant at the same rate of, I think, around 5 or 6,000 every 2 days. Because as you can see, this is what it says here. This analytics shows the last 48 hours, so 2 days. And yeah, it kept going like this. I was making around, I keep going back and forth just to see. Let's see, I think in March I made, or if we go to revenue, yeah, you can see here that in February I made $37 because I was monetized in the second half of the month. So yeah, then I made 300, and then 500. But these 500 and 300 and even this amount, the almost 400, they also included donations during live streams. I still remember Dennis, my friend Dennis, came in every stream and donated something. And even one stream, I think, yeah, he dropped a $100 donation, which was crazy. And yeah, after that, in June, I started streaming on Twitch, and you can see the revenue. Let me zoom in. As you can see, the revenue went down, and then it kind of stuck under 300 and 250. But keep in mind also that in this period I haven't uploaded a lot, probably 2 or 3 videos a month. So yeah, what I advise you to do is to make a plan for an entire year and be very consistent. So instead of going full berserk and do 1,000 videos in a day, rather do 2 or 3 in a week, and keep doing that for a year, 2 years, 3 years. And that's when you start to see growth. If you can do every day for a year, that's great. But it's not easy. So just set your mind right and pick something you know that you can keep for a longer period of time. And then look at this, 250, and in September, $1.7 thousand in a month. This was crazy. Let's go back and see what happened. I uploaded the 10 JavaScript projects in 10 hours video, and this went berserk. I think it made 100,000 views in a week, something like that, like crazy. And like everything changed. You can see that before this, I was making $7, $9, up to $10 a day. And then it was this big period when I made also 100 in a day, which was crazy. And after that, it kind of doubled. You can see 20-ish dollars a day. Yeah, which is crazy. So this is the thing with YouTube. If you are consistent, you never know which video you produce will explode. You just never know. Every video you produce and put out on YouTube is just another lottery ticket. Also, it doesn't have to explode on the same day you upload it. It might take some time, and I'll show you in a second, and it will grow over time, which is what happened with this video of mine. Let's see, since uploaded, you can see at the beginning it had a spike on the upload date, well, the second day after uploading, and then look, 11 views, 12 views, and so on and so forth. And because this is a topic which is a search now on YouTube, like how to do JavaScript form validation, YouTube started to recommend it more and more and more. And you can see the nice growth over time. And this spike was when the other YouTube video exploded, the one with JavaScript challenges, 10 JavaScript projects in 10 hours. So this one picked up also. And this is like the perfect example, although it's just this and probably a couple more videos, of passive income. You make it once and it just works for you indefinitely. And the nice thing about this is that it keeps going strong. I mean, you can see that it's not slowing down, which is great. I'm happy it makes, let's see, $1, $2, sometimes, yeah, around $1, $2 a day, which is nice. If you have 100 videos like this, makes $100 a day, that's pretty good. All right, and let's see the other one which exploded. This exploded exact, like, yeah, you can see 4,000 views. So considering the fact that I had like 6,000 views in 2 days overall on my channel, this one made 4,000 in a day. And then it slowed down a bit, but then look at this bump. It made 25,000 views in 1 day. So YouTube promoted this very well. But over time, it went down. And now it's a consistent rate, I guess, of 2,500, 2,000 views. And income-wise, let's see, $3, $4, $5, $6 per day. So again, couple of videos like this and you make over 1,000 a month, which is not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Yeah, this is another metric which is very important on YouTube. Depending on the topic you choose, which is kind of weird sometimes, you get paid more or less, depending on how much are advertisers willing to pay to place ads for your audience, depending on the video topic. And as you can see, overall in 2020, I make $2.85 per 1,000 views. If 1,000 people watch my videos, I make almost $3. Some channels, and this is mind-blowing, make $20 per 1,000 views, which is just mind-blowing. Like, still 1,000 people watching, but they make so much more money. You could go, I think the niche is finance, talking about dropshipping and stuff like that. Design, if you're a designer and want to make YouTube videos, I think the RPM for designers is double what we have as developers. But still, what I advise you to do, even though some topics might feel nice and they make 10 times more money per the same number of views, what's important is to find something you like to do, find the niche, and be the best one in that niche. And that way, you'll have, even though the RPM won't be so big, you will get the views count. So it will balance out. So if you have more views, even though the RPM is lower, overall you might make more money. All right, I think that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. The plan for the future for this channel is to come back on making videos. I just released a course with Brett Traversy. I'm going to put them in the course in the description if you want to check it out. It's 50 projects in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I'm also working on a ebook now with which will have 10 ways to make money as a developer. And I'm planning to release it very, very soon. So yeah, check down the link. You can pre-order it now, and if it's launched by the time you're watching this, you can buy it. And yeah, the future of this channel, I still want to make videos. I was just a bit busy working on the course and the ebook, but I want to come back and make more videos. Let me know also what would like to learn. And yeah, have a great day. I hope you learned something and this was helpful for you. Bye bye.